Clayburn Grant was shot right here next to his home in the early morning hours of October 23rd. This small stone memorial here on the ground marks the spot where he lay on the ground after being shot. His family is now calling for justice. Video posted to social media shows Clayburn Grant laying on the ground next to a truck outside his house in Hayes with his hands cuffed behind his back. In the video, his sister, Carla Grant, can be heard yelling, "He killed him."
They didn't even give him a chance. He didn't say anything to him.
Carla says her brother never had time to surrender. She says he was shot 4 times as soon as he stepped out of his truck.
He didn't say anything to him. He didn't say drop your weapon. He didn't wait in his unit he didn't call for backup. He didn't wait for anybody. They flopped him on his stomach and handcuffed him like he was going to get up and do something. My brother was gasping for air.
According to a statement from the Fort Belknap Reservation, the shooting was the culmination of a chase. The statement says an officer tried to pull over a vehicle, but the vehicle didn't immediately stop. When the vehicle finally did stop, the statement says the person in it, now identified as Clayburn, was, quote, reported to have been uncooperative and exhibited a weapon. Did your brother have a gun?
Yes.
Carla admits her brother had an unloaded hunting rifle in his hands when he got out of his truck, but doesn't believe the Fort Belknap police officer should have shot him.
He didn't point it at him or anything.
She says her brother had a misdemeanor warrant for his arrest and claims police were waiting for him in some weeds near his house. When they saw him leave the house, she says a chase ensued.
He stopped one last time and sent his last text to me saying, "I love you guys, goodbye." He then took off up to the mission where the cops followed him, and me and his daughter were shortly behind them. We followed him back over here, and that's when he shot my brother.
Clayburn leaves behind a pregnant girlfriend, 4 children, and his unfinished house. While the shooting remains under investigation, Carla has already decided what she believes should happen to the officer who shot her brother. In your minds, what is justice?
I want him to be put behind bars.
Claiborne's uncle believes the house should be finished and doesn't believe the police department is solely to blame.
He invested all his money that he earned this year to fix his house up for him and his family. Our council that's supposed to protect their people, protect us with their law enforcement, and didn't do it. They're not standing behind their own people.
He was one of the best people we could have around. He always made the room bright with a smile, and he was the best dad to these kids. He was their hero. He was the best uncle to his nieces and nephews. The best brother and mother, father figure I could ever have. Come here, my baby.
You can find a link to the full statement from the police department in this story on our website. In Hayes, Coulter and Stat, MTN News.